Welcome to part 2 of this Unity course. In this part, we will learn how to use C# scripting in Unity. Scripting is an essential ingredient in all applications you make with Unity. Most applications need scripts, which allow you to create your own components, trigger events, modify properties over time, and respond to user input in any way you like. Beyond that, scripts can be used to create graphical effects, control the physical behavior of objects, or even implement a custom artificial intelligence or AI system for characters in a game or application. We will start with an introduction to Unity scripting, followed by lessons on variables and data types in C#. Also, we will learn about functions, methods, conditionals, loops, and other topics. By the end of this part, you will have a solid understanding of how to use C# scripting in Unity to create your own and interactive experience. Scripting is one of my favorite things to do, so I'm very excited about this part, and I hope you are excited as well. See you in the next lesson.